Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That is nice, man. That is well packed. Paper and a lot of foam. This is good. Even some paper between the strings and the fretboard, which is nice. And got this foam thing for the headstock over here. And hold on, guys. I'm just trying to get this thing off. There we go. Alright, and here's the headstock. EC1000 Deluxe LTD. And I'll put it on pause and let me just get rid of this paper. Okay, so what I really like about this case is the interior. It's really nice, really smooth. It's a nice fur-like texture, and the guitar really snugs along the contour lines of the mold inside. Yeah, man, it's really good, man. I'm really happy. Honestly, it looks super good. And it's vintage black. You got EMG pickups, gold hardware. Switch is very nice. Yeah, can't wait to test drive this baby. Now, I've been waiting a long time for this, and the guys over at the Guitar World were nice enough to, let me just put this over here for a sec, send me a bunch of strings because I waited so long, and I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, this is really greatly appreciated. So I'm good over here. I got packs of 9s over here, 10s. I think it's 3 of each, 3, 4 of each. 1, 2. I got 3 10s and yeah, 3 9s. So this is nice. And got the gear here. This is the Allen key. The truss rod, and a little small one for the saddles, and key for the case itself. So, all right, man, I'm super happy. I'm a happy customer. So it's a quick review, but I think it's worth it. Mentioned that the guys over at the Guitar World did an amazing job. I'm really happy, guys. Thank you very much. And the least I can do is, you know, share this video with you guys and your future customers who, you know, if you have any doubts about ordering a guitar online at the Guitar World, I think, I mean, you've seen it for yourself. It's pretty. It's been well packed. The case is brand new, no scratches, nothing. The guitar is amazing. I have absolutely no complaints, my friend. So I'll give this a test drive tonight, play a little bit with it, and hopefully I can send you guys another video. All right, ciao.